Hello and welcome back. Today we will have a special tutorial for you. We will be learning how to create a beautiful air ombre on a stiletto nail. All of our products that are used inside the video will be found on snsnails.com. We will be using a Gelous Color from our exciting new collection called Bloomy Glam. All of our bases and sealers are from the Sunshine collection. These are world-renowned products and will help you keep your nails strong and healthy. Link to our products will be in the description below. Let's start by sizing and applying our nail tips. If you'd like to see a full-length, in-depth tutorial, check the link in the description or click on the video on screen. Before we start applying our natural set, buff the nail and nail tips lightly. Apply Gelous Base between where the nail tip meets the nail. Immediately dip into natural set. Using gel base, make a small line starting a few millimeters below the cuticle line. Dip into the natural set. Now apply gel base a few millimeters below the cuticle line, covering the entire nail. Make sure it's an even coat. Dip into natural set. Dust off any powder on top and underneath the nail. Now we're ready for color. We want to add a layer of Gelous Base to the entire nail, avoiding the cuticle line. Let's dip into our Gelous Color. We want to go in a 45-degree angle. I like to wiggle the jar from side to side so the powder covers the entire nail evenly. Tap the nail to remove the excess powder. Now dust off. Let's take out our air ombre. Before using our bottle, we want to tumble it, right side up and upside down a few times. Then we rotate it. This helps load the air ombre color into the pump. Give it one complete spray to ensure a steady stream. Apply a layer of Gelous Base. Now spray air ombre from left to right and right to left. Look at how easy that was. Sprinkle your Gelous powder along the cuticle line. Now tilt your nail forward so the powder runs down the nail. Dust off your nails. Now apply one more layer of Gelous Base on the entire nail, avoiding the cuticle line. Always sprinkle natural set sheer instead of dipping to avoid cross-contamination. Apply sealer dry. Allow to completely dry before filing and buffing. This last step is to ensure you have a perfect shape and get rid of any imperfections. Dust off and make sure to get underneath your nails. Apply sealer dry. After the sealer is dry, wash your hands without soap. Let's apply a layer of gel top. Make sure it's even. Wait for the first layer to dry completely before applying the second layer. Once the second coat is completely dry, use SNS Cuticle Vitamin Oil to finish off the manicure. This will help our clients' nails grow strong and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell icon to get all of the latest updates and easy tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions or if there's any topics you'd like us to cover.